Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Xiaomi or rather Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness app on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon to open the device page. And here on this page, you should see Xiaomi Watch S4. And under it, there should be, under the picture of your device, there should be this category called Manage Watch Faces. Tap on All right here in the corner to open the online store. And here we have the store. And we can basically browse through different watch faces, look for something we like, and then we can tap on it to select it. And once you select the watch face you like, you can tap on the Apply button to start downloading it and installing on your watch. So let's find something we want to download. I don't know, maybe this one. And then you can tap on Apply. And the watch face will be applied. And you can install multiple watch faces if you like to. And once you install them, you can tap on Local right here at the top to open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And here you can switch between them by tapping on one and by tapping on Apply to change between the watch faces. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.